So let's start.
Yeah.
So the first thing that we have to do is this one, eighth one. We finished the seventh, huh?
Yeah.
I think so. We did the seventh one last time. Yeah, seventh one. No, we have to do the sixth one. Sixth one you have to do. Sixth one. How will you do?
So let me get the identities out.
Yeah, get the identities out.
These
Yeah,
and these.
these are all of them.
Oh, okay. So I need to memorize this.
Yeah.
Like by heart.
Hmm.
Okay.
So what is the idea? You have to convert everything into sine and cos.
Yeah.
Start with the sixth one.
So cot.
So what is your cot?
Cot is your cos over sine.
Cos over sine.
Cos over sine A. And then sec is 1 upon cos theta. And then times sine. Yeah, just sine.
Cancel.
Yeah, so 1.
Next.
Sine A is times tan sine over cos.
Now what is sine 90 minus here?
That would be cos theta. So cos theta cancel.
No, there's a plus sign, Rohan.
Oh, sorry. So you would have to
So this is
sine.
sine square A
Yeah.
cos A upon cos A plus cos A. Cos A upon 1.
Yeah.
LCM.
You'd have to multiply that by cos A. So cos squared. That's 1.
Correct? Upon. Yeah.
Yeah.
So 1 upon cos A, which is what?
Sec.
Sec.
Ah, wait, so you did sine. Why is this squared?
You know.
Oh,
Sine
because
into
sine
sine.
and right. So it becomes sine squared upon cos. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Now
8.
8
So the question is. What
cos
is the question?
cos squared. Then in brackets minus a, and then open brackets sec squared, and then new brackets minus a minus 1. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Cos squared. Sine plus cos squared is equal to
Now
1.
see here, what is your cos of minus A?
Cos of minus a is positive cos.
Cos of minus A is positive cos A, correct?
Yeah. So you can make
And
it.
you're squaring it. So
yeah.
basically this will become cos
Cos
square A.
Cos squared a. Yeah.
Now sec.
Sec.
Sec is reciprocal of cos.
Yeah. So 1 upon.
So no need. So you can leave it as. Achha, so 1 over. Chalo na.
Yeah.
1 over cos square A, this will become.
Yeah.
Because minus A will go minus 1. So cos square A, take the LCM.
Yeah.
LCM will be cos square A.
Cos squared a. Yeah.
1 minus
Cos squared a. And then that would be
What is
sine.
1 minus cos square A? Sine square A.
Sine
Square A.
Sorry, sine squared a. Sine squared a. And
Cos-
that is.
So cos square A is cancelled. So what are you left with?
Sine squared a.
That's it. That's your answer.
Okay, nice. It's not too bad.
Yeah, it's not
It
very
just
bad.
looks very.
Yeah. Ninth.
9th. So C
Cosec.
cosec. That's,
Cosec x minus cot x.
Yeah.
And sec x
Plus 1.
plus 1.
So you.
So what is your cosec x?
Is 1 over sine
1 over sine x.
minus 1 over tan.
No, don't use that.
Don't?
Convert everything to sine and cos. Your
Okay.
basic is sine and cos.
Okay, so then you can do sine upon cos. Cos upon sine. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Sorry, I don't know what I was saying.
See, if others were tan, then you could have done that so that you can combine with that tan. Here there's nothing coming.
Yeah,
So,
right.
Acha, sec
And then sec
is 1 over cos.
1 over cos plus
So
1.
basically everything you convert into sine and cos.
Yeah.
But that's a main building block.
Always, never tan.
Yeah, never tan. LCM is
You-
sin x.
Sin x squared.
No, sin x, no.
Oh, yeah,
LCM.
sorry, sin x. 1 minus cos x.
LCM.
Cos x.
Hmm.
So that's 1 plus cos x. So 1 minus cos x is sine
1 minus cos square x.
cos squared x.
A minus b into a plus b.
Yeah.
I'm multiplying the numerator by numerator, denominator
Right.
by denominator. Correct?
Right.
What
And
is
1
1
minus cos squared x is sine squared x.
Sin square x.
Upon sine cos. Sine cancel. So sine upon cos. Tan. Yeah. Okay. It's really not that bad.
Yeah. Next.
Sine x.
10th. That is that.
Yeah. It looks a bit.
Yeah. That table has
Yeah. Disappeared.
Yeah. Hidden under that. 1 minus cos square. Chalo.
Okay, so that the denominator is sine x cos x upon
No, upon
sine
x
squared.
Very good. So 1
First
minus
do
cos
that.
square x, sin square x. Correct.
And then you can
Cancel
cancel.
off. Now this is.
So cos x upon
So what is
sine
cos x over sin x?
cot.
Cot x. That's because you're the final answer.
Yeah.
You can.
I just have to memorize these things.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
it's good.
Next.
Sine to the
Sin x
Oh, sorry, I'm
plus
looking the wrong
cos
one.
x the whole square
Yeah.
plus
sine x minus cos x squared.
So what will you do?
So that would be sine.
What is a plus b the whole square?
Oh, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So just
And what
do
is a
that.
minus b the whole square?
A minus b whole squared is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared.
Perfect. Apply
Yeah.
that. So
Okay.
instead of a and b, use sin and cos.
Okay, so
So-
sine squared
Sin square
x
plus 2
plus 2 cos
sin
sine.
x cos x
Yeah, sine cos
Plus
x
cos
plus
square
cos
x.
squared x.
plus
Sine x squared.
sin square x minus
square
2 sin x cos x
Yeah, and then plus cos 2x squared.
cos square x.
Cos squared x, sorry. It's different, right?
Yeah, it's different. Cancel off.
Yeah.
Minus plus 2 sin x,
Minus
2 sin x cancel off. Now,
2 sine x.
what is sin square x plus cos square x?
Oh, that would be.
Look at the identity. 1.
Sorry. I'm trying to remember.
Plus,
it as well.
okay. What is sin square x plus cos square x?
That's 1 as well.
Ah,
So that's 2. Okay.
that's it.
I see.
So you have to factorize, expand, all that
Yeah.
should be perfect.
Yeah.
12th now.
What is going on? Okay.
12th. Yeah, it's after I'm just following the sums.
Yeah.
So sine 4 theta raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta
Yeah.
upon
Sine squared theta
minus,
cos squared theta.
correct. So now factorize the numerator.
Okay, so you can get sine squared theta minus cos squared theta,
Correct.
and that's 1.
No,
Oh, sorry.
and sine square, that is 1 but
Yeah.
plus cos square theta. Because you're doing,
Oh, right.
your
because it's to the
4, listen, your
huh.
4 is, your basically 4 is a square minus b
Right.
square. So this
Right.
will become a square minus b square,
Right.
a square plus b square.
Okay.
That's the logic. Upon sine square theta minus cos square theta.
Wait. You had sine 4 theta minus cos 4 theta, and you got sine squared theta because it's to the 4. So you do a squared minus b. No, a squared squared minus b squared squared. Okay. All right. Okay.
This will cancel off.
Yeah. So you get sine squared, which is 1. Okay. That one's a bit weird, but yeah, still makes sense. Graph the function.
Then we'll come to that later.
Yeah.
Because that's not very important. You graph this and you see what does it become.
Is it just a weird graph?
No, it won't be a weird graph. Because if you see carefully, if you graph this,
Yeah.
if you see carefully, what is it? Does it remind you of some expansion?
Binomial, that
Yeah,
thing,
tell me.
theorem.
Yeah, now see properly.
Yes, the binomial theorem.
Can I write this as
1.
sine square x plus cos square x the whole square?
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's what it is. So that's
What is sine
basically
square x
one
plus cos
square.
square? 1 square. So what's your y? 1.
One.
So if you graph this, you'll see a straight line
Yeah.
when y is equal to 1.
Okay.
If you graph
Understood.
it,
Oh,
like
just a
that.
straight line. Okay. Yeah. I'm understanding.
So what is the domain of this function?
Just one.
Minus infinity
minus
to infinity.
infinity.
Domain.
infinity. Range would be
What,
negative
is the,
infinity.
what other function could have the same graph? Y is equal to 1.
Right. I see. Yeah.
Use Trigo relationship. We showed it.
Yeah.
Next, 14.
Sine minus a tan a plus cos minus a. So
Sine minus alpha
sine minus alpha.
tan alpha plus cos minus alpha.
Yeah. That becomes minus sine
Minus sine alpha.
minus sine alpha. And then tan would be minus tan. No, sorry, normal tan a plus cos theta.
So what is tan?
Tan is sine
Sine
upon
over cos.
cos. Yeah. Plus cos theta. Cos alpha.
Very good.
Sorry.
So what will be left with? Minus
Sine x.
sine square.
Upon cos plus cos. So you have to multiply that by cos.
Yeah.
So that becomes cos squared. So it's sine squared x plus cos squared
Minus
x.
sine square x.
Oh, minus sine squared x. That's it?
You can't do anything.
Okay. Because of the minus.
Because of minus.
Yeah. I'm understanding, yeah.
Next.
Cot squared theta plus cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to
Cosec square theta.
yeah,
You
but
can
we,
prove that.
we first do the left side,
Left
right?
side.
Yeah.
So left hand side.
So cot is
Leave it. Because you have this.
okay. So that's 1.
Yeah. And what is 1 plus cot square theta?
1 plus CSC squared theta.
That's it.
Okay.
Even if you don't do this, then you convert everything into, suppose you do cot as cos square theta
Upon sine squared
upon
theta.
sine, and this is 1.
That becomes, yeah.
And you take the LCM, sine square theta, cos square theta plus sine square theta.
Yeah.
So 1 over sine square theta, which is your cosec square theta.
Right. So you'll still get the same
Yeah,
answer.
you get the
just
same
waste-
answer. You get the left hand side,
Yeah.
and then what you can do is you can solve the right hand side as
Yeah.
well.
Always take the more messier side.
Messier
right?
side, yes. Cosec, you can solve this. You can simplify this and simplify this. What is cosec square theta?
Cosec squared theta is
1 over sine
1
square.
over sine squared theta. I just need to remember these. That's
Yeah.
it. Just this page. I need to
Yeah.
remember. Is this the main thing?
Yeah,
On
main
the
thing.
summative?
Yes, yes. Identity is the main thing. Next. 16.
16 sine. That one. Sine theta upon CSC theta plus cos theta upon sec theta. And then, yeah, sine square. No, sine theta CSC theta. So I'll
So
take
left-hand
the
side.
left side. So sine
What is cosec?
cosec is
1 over sine.
1 over sine. So it becomes sine squared.
Perfect. So cos theta, 1 over cos theta.
Yeah. So it's cos squared.
So sine square
Sine squared theta plus cos squared
cos square theta.
Which
What
is
is sine
equal to
square
1.
theta? Correct? Take
This
the
thing
right hand
is-
side.
Yeah.
Sine theta. And what's your cosec?
1 upon sine. So they cancels.
So 1. So the left hand side is equal to right hand side.
Nice. Okay. I'm actually understanding.
Yeah.
It's not that hard at
Yeah.
all.
Next.
Okay.
17th.
Yeah. Tan squared theta x minus sine squared
is
x
equal to
tan squared
x into sine squared
sine
x.
squared.
Chalo. The left hand side.
Yeah. So tan squared x. Should I convert it?
Yeah, convert
Okay.
it.
So then that would be sine over cos squared.
So sine square x upon cos
cos
square
squared x, yeah,
minus
minus sine squared x.
sin square x.
So that's
Remove sin square x common.
yeah.
What will be left with?
1
1
upon
over
cos
square x
squared
minus
x
1.
minus 1.
So sin square x, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Cos square x.
Yeah, and then 1 minus cos squared x, which
And
is
what-
sine.
Which is sin square x.
Sine squared x, yeah.
So sin square x into
Sine squared x,
upon cos square x.
yeah.
So sin square x. What is sin square x or cos square x?
Sine squared x upon, that's
Tan square x.
tan squared x. So you convert it back to
Back.
tan.
Or if you don't want to convert it back, na? Suppose you don't want to convert it back and it doesn't strike to you.
Yeah.
Suppose. Then what you do is this will be sin 4x upon cos square x.
Which is also fine.
You leave it. Then you
Yeah.
start simplifying that, right? Because you can't go further with
Right.
this. So you start simplifying this. Your tan square x is sin square x upon cos square x
Yeah.
into sin square x. Correct? So
Yeah.
this is sin 4x
Upon cos squared x. Yeah.
So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side.
Nice.
You
Okay.
can do this also.
Yeah.
You simplify both the sides to the same level.
Yeah, but tan, I think tan is better.
Yeah, and it's
Yeah.
fine. It's once you know it, no, it's like if you know
It's gonna be really
if you know
easy.
cycling, no, you can
Huh.
cycle with leaving one hand, leaving both the hands.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
if you know cycling, you
yeah.
don't know cycling.
Yeah.
But then automatically it happens.
Basically,
Ah.
you just have to use
So it
a bit
become
of brain and.
yeah. You
know,
practice. You must sit and redo
practice.
these. Subs.
Yeah, I will.
Redo this
I'll
some 3
redo the
times.
whole lesson.
Yeah, just remove, print out, and do it.
No,
It should match.
I brought my iPad, so
Yeah,
I'll
very
I
good.
was gonna do some on the way.
Yeah, very good. But like just overdo this. I'll tell you
Yeah.
because this is all called pre-calculus.
Pre-calculus, and that's important. For IB, yeah.
If you don't know this, your calculus, derivative, integration, and all, you'll falter. Complex numbers also requires this.
Okay.
So there's like 1, 2, 3
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
for multiplication,
Yeah,
division. You
yeah.
have to know the
Right.
numericals.
Right. Okay. So, it's very important.
Just overdo this.
Okay. I'll master this.
Overdo this, master it. Like
Okay.
over
Done.
practice.
Done.
Because then your calculus will be very easy. Then
Yeah.
Sine theta. See, the rules of calculus are very easy.
Yeah.
But the problem is people struggle because they don't know all this. So the foundation is not strong.
Yeah.
So you work on this.
Yeah.
Then
Get the
calculus is
foundation
nothing. You have to just know the
Yeah.
rules. Then you just apply the same thing.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Which side you think you should start with?
Is that tan upon 1 plus tan?
Yeah.
Right side maybe?
Yes. Very
Yeah.
good. Right hand side.
Is that correct?
Yes, you're right.
Okay, so sine upon cos
So right sine theta over cos theta divided by
divided by
1
1 plus tan.
sine theta over cos theta. Why?
Oh, right, you can just convert it as well.
Both.
Yeah.
No step only
Yeah,
treatment
yeah,
for the
yeah.
denominator. Okay. LCM.
So now
LCM. Correct.
you
In the
can,
denominator.
so you can multiply that by cos. So 1.
Cos theta
Yeah, 1.
sine theta. Correct.
Yeah.
Divided by cos,
Cos
theta plus
sine
theta,
theta.
upon cos theta.
Yeah.
This and this can cancel.
Yes.
Correct? You know that, no?
Yeah.
So what will this become?
Sine squared.
Sine
Oh,
theta.
sine theta upon cos theta plus sine theta. Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, I'm a bit confused.
Huh.
Sine upon cos,
Huh.
and then 1 plus sine upon cos.
Huh.
And then what did you do?
I took the LCM of the denominator. This denominator which is there, no?
Yeah.
I took the LCM
So
as
you
cos.
multiplied. So
No,
you made it
multiplied
cos plus sine.
Cos upon, cos plus sine
and then
upon cos.
upon cos again, because you multiplied that. So that's why it's cos plus sine, and then sine up. Okay.
Huh.
Yeah. Just making sure.
No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Ask 10 times, but get this clear.
Yeah.
This will be your foundation. For years to come, you have to remember this,
Yeah.
19.
19.
Prove 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x is equal to sec x minus tan x in absolute value.
Yeah, this is interesting. It's because it's not 1 minus sine squared
Now,
x.
this is a tough sum. Slightly tough, not tough.
Slightly tough, yeah.
But you should know the method.
Okay.
So let's take the left hand side.
Yeah.
Correct?
Would
With my
you,
left hand side?
Yeah, so would you multiply this by 1 plus sine x?
Very good.
And then that by...
You multiply and divide by 1 plus sin
Yeah.
x. 1 minus sin x.
1 minus sine x, yeah.
How do you know that? You've done this in school?
I just guess.
Yeah. Why do you do that?
Uh,
I'll tell you.
I just feel like, so you can...
Root. So what is my numerator?
Because then it'd be a plus b, a
So
minus b,
a
right?
minus b into a minus b.
Right.
So what does that mean?
So that's 1
Hmm?
minus sine squared x.
Sin x.
Sine
the whole
x.
square. Right?
Squared. Sorry.
So
Sine
the
x
whole
squared.
bracket does.
Right, yeah.
Achha, now that's where the confusion is.
Yeah.
And what is it? So this is like a minus b into a minus b.
Yeah.
So it is a minus b square.
That's what I meant by saying, yeah.
Achha, now the denominator is a plus b into a minus b.
Yeah.
What is that?
A squared plus 2, minus 2ab plus b squared.
No.
Sorry.
Rohan?
Sorry, a squared plus b squared.
A square?
Minus b squared. Sorry, I don't know what I'm saying. Apologies.
So 1 plus sin x into 1 minus
So
sin
that's
x?
1 minus sine squared. Yeah.
So that is 1 minus sin x the whole square. And what is 1 minus sin square x?
That's cos squared x.
Cos square x. Correct?
Right.
So your square and square root cancels.
Yeah.
So you'll be left with modulus because it will be absolute value.
Wait,
Because
what?
see, your root 9 is 3. Correct? But generally it's plus 3 only.
Oh,
It
you're
can be plus or
getting rid
minus
of
3.
this square
Yeah,
root.
yeah.
Okay. Right.
I'm getting rid of the square root.
So it becomes 1 minus sine
Sin x
sine
upon
x upon cos squared x.
cos x.
Oh, cos x.
Well,
So that
numerator,
also, you
denominator,
also
before-
get rid of that.
Yeah, because it's in the root
The whole
side.
thing,
So 1 over minus,
Sine.
correct?
Yeah.
What is 1 over cos x?
1 over cos x is cot. No, CSC. Sorry.
No,
sorry.
1 over cos?
Sec.
Remember C and S are reciprocal.
Right. Sec.
Minus.
Minus sine over cos tan.
Perfect.
Makes sense. It's not even too difficult.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this